Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all for Cadmatics webinar on how to keep project on track. So once again, thank you so much for joining this webinar from different time zone all across the world. I am your host for today, Mr. Dharmendra Avasti from Mumbai office. So before I begin, I like to brief you about the schedule. So first 5 minutes, we will be brief about the company, Cadmatic, and benefits of webinar. Then after that, we will be having a live session by our experienced presenter. Finally, we will be having a question answer session before we conclude for today webinar. So Cadmatic software solution, this company is a Finnish company and started in early 1980s. So we have our headquarters in Finland and our local offices globally. So now, as I mentioned, Cadmatic is an independent software provider for detailed engineering design, from basic concept design to detail as well as planning and maintenance for marine industry, process industry, and even for construction industry. So this way we have 6,000 plus customers globally in 60 plus countries. Like we are handling this 60 plus country with our 14 offices globally with 220 employees, and we have employees from 15 different nations. So this way we are globally spread, and we also have 15 plus local partner networks. So that is helping us to reach all across the world. So now how Cadmatic is helping the various consultants and engineering. As you know, you can make your feed and basic calculation in Cadmatic PNID. Then these PNID are integrated to our 3D solution, where our plant modeler comes into picture, where you can do a detailed design of the project, planning and construction. Finally, once your project is complete, you hand over to the owner and operator, which help them in tracking the project, construction, maintenance, planning. So for this planning operation, our one more tools comes into picture, which is eShare, which is an enterprise solution, which help you to manage the whole project life cycle. After this, we have, if you want to expand, modernize your project, so you can use our Cadmatic laser scan modeler, where you can do the scanning of the project, import the scan model in our environment, and you can modify or design further. So like I was mentioning about enterprise software solution, which is eShare. So this is actually our complete Cadmatic information management product family, where we have a follow app, where a project stakeholder can follow the project through his Android application. Then you can, if you are traveling to a site, so you can carry a lightweight tablet with all the information in your hand. And eShare and eBrowser, this is a project review tool plus enterprise solution, where you have all your information data linked to its model. And if you want to have a walkthrough inside a project, you can use our HoloLens, where you can load and have a virtual reality or augmented reality. Both is possible with us. So this is in short about our company. As a company, we empower all the customer and help them to keep them ahead of their competition. So this is short brief introduction about our company. Now let's move on to our today's agenda, which is project, how to keep project on track using Cadmatic solution. So these are the key benefits which you have already seen on our web page and invitation emails. So I won't be reading this again. So for today's presenter, I will introduce our presenter. So presenter, and they are also Cadmatic experts. So the first one is Mr. Saurabh Bharadwaj. He have 12 years of experience in nuclear industry and Cadmatic software. Next presenter, we have Mr. Rahul Sansare. having 15 years of experience in nuclear industry, give you some general information about this webinar and this interface GoToMeeting which we are using. So during the session, all attendees will be mute. This webinar will be recorded, and in a follow-up email, we'll be sharing you the link. You can type your question during the webinar. You can see a question option is there, and we will reply you if possible right now, or we will get back to you. If you want a callback from us, you just type callback. There will be one question in a pool, which we will be doing at the end of the webinar live session. Then in the end, we will be having 10 to 15 minutes question and answer session. Suppose if you need some additional info, we will be sending you those information after the webinar. And please, I request everyone to send your feedback to our email sent to you as a survey, maybe in a couple of days. So thank you once again. So now I like to invite and hand over this session to our first presenter, Mr. Rahul Sansare. Thank you.
Thank you, Dharmendra. Yeah, good morning, everyone. I'm Rahul Sansare, and a very warm welcome to all in today's webinar to keep project on track using Cadmatic, online clash control, and effective design communication. Hope so everyone is safe in this pandemic situation. Now we will see how the Cadmatic helps to keep the project on track. We establish some goals, and following that goals, we try to achieve the milestone at set interval of time. And with regular follow-up with client in design modification and implementation, we create a project outline. And also the major role is played from the procurement department for inventories to be delivered in allocated time, and construction activities on site shall be well planned to push the project on operation mode. As we know, the most of time is consumed on site for resolving the clashes with multidisciplinary department. Collisions can be divided into following classes: clearance violation, contact, and collisions. Clearance violation. As we will take the live example of site where the distance between the pipes should be maintained mainly on pipe rack or on pipe sleeper, and also in high pressure steam lines as to avoid transfer of heat, and collisions due to expansion of loops or pipelines during operating conditions. In this type of cases, we can set clearance violation in Cadmatic. Contacts. Contact, for example, the structure on the plinth or grouting part or supports on pipeline can be excluded as a part of contact collision. Collisions. Collisions as shown in the picture with multidisciplinary objects can be resolved at initial level in Cadmatic, which will increase the construction efficiency at the time of fabrication and erection on the construction site. Most of the consultants have come across with such type of issue. So in Cadmatic, we have solution for this type of collisions. Collisions can be controlled in three ways in Cadmatic: online collision control, collisions, detect collision between sets. Online collision control. Now we are going to present the functionalities of Cadmatic in collision detection environment, and approximately 20% of the total project time compared to other softwares can be saved. Cadmatic has online collision control feature, which at the initial level of modeling shows the clashes with other multidisciplinary departments. As in Cadmatic, we have all modules like civil and structure, piping, supports, electrical, HVAC in one interface. There is no need to go to different modules for working in different disciplines. We can create the project under one roof as the Cadmatic objects are very light in size, and the multidisciplinary user can work at the same time, which will avoid the rework as we have online clash detection features in Cadmatic. The service spaces can be reserved for operations, maintenance, and walkway. And if any Cadmatic user try to insert or place or try to use the reserved area, will be highlighted at collision as shown in the picture. Multidisciplinary departments can do the discussion and take the decisions in design modification at initial level. As we all know that near about after 60% review, most of the client starts the construction activities on site for civil and structure. As in another software, we run the collision after 60%, so it takes approximately 1 to 1.5 months for resolving the clashes with other disciplines. But these collisions can be resolved or controlled in Cadmatic at initial level because of online collision control. And the time will be saved for the design departments and also on the construction side. The other two options of the collisions are used when we ignore the online. Now we will see the video for online collision control. In this video, a Cadmatic user is routing a pipeline and he places the spool which is clashing with the floor, and it is indicated by red and yellow color, and the same color will be highlighted for any disciplinary object in case of collision. And the user presses the U for undo, and which resolves the clash, and quickly changing the path, the user completes the routing of pipeline to the pump. Collisions. In collisions, we can make configuration as per the requirement. If we want to select objects from different disciplines like piping and structure, so we have many versatile features in Cadmatic. And in addition to that, we can filter the objects in related discipline. For example, I want the pipe above nominal size 100 of chill water system in piping, and also in structure, I want to select circular platform, the same as shown in the picture. So we can customize selection in collision detection in Cadmatic. Detection collision between sets. In detect collision between sets, we can randomly select the object for collisions between any two sets of any discipline, as I have selected civil and piping. We can also have the XYZ coordinates, and we can directly browse to the clash object just by clicking the result in collision browser, which helps the user to resolve collision faster. We also have the feature of hard and soft collision type. Any area engineer or lead engineer can comment and assign the work request, which will be shown in further slides by my colleague. This is how the collision test definition browser appears in Cadmatic, where we can run the collision detection and then we can browse the result. Collisions in Cadmatic Plant Review application eBrowser. eBrowser is very user-friendly plant review application, and the model of the project size is very less. In eBrowser, we have the same options for collision detection as in Plant Modeler. Markups in Plant Review application eBrowser. The client can do the markups at his place and can send back the file to Cadmatic, and the same file can be updated as per the client's comment, and the same can be assigned as work request, which will be further explained by Mr. Bharadwaj. So now I would like to hand over the presentation to Mr. Saurabh Bharadwaj. Thank you for.
So thank you very much, Rahul. My name is Saurabh Bharadwaj, working as an application specialist in Cadmatic, and I'm very much glad to be here with you all today. So let's get started. As of now, we have seen how collisions can be controlled in Cadmatic. And let's talk about how the collisions control informations can be communicated effectively within the project. My goal today is to help you understand how does effective communication works for managing. So as we know, communication plays a vital role during the phase of any ongoing project to capture the collisions information within the projects. For this, we have to use emails, Word, Excel. Think If we keep the record of communication in more organized manner and within the application itself, in spite of following traditional mode of communication, keeping all this in mind, Cadmatic has came up with a solution called Work Request Manager tool, which provide user an agile but controlled way to communicate with each other. Let's see in detail. So on Cadmatic interface, under the tool tab, we can find a command called Work Request Manager. When a new work request is created and sent to all the targeted user, they will automatically notified with an unread request message when starting a new application. Reply mechanism allow user to respond, to expand and edit the content of work request. He can modify the status. He can add the command. He can add the file of any size of any type to the request. And work request has a following functionalities like browsing work request, creating a new work request, replying to a work request file attachment, handling for e-browser models and markups. Let us understand the concept of work request in a better way with the help of real life scenario. A manager is reviewing the model on a tool called e-browser. He runs the collision test in Cadmatic and found some set of collisions. Now he wants to assign the clash resolution work to designer, which is working on same project. So he uses a command called work request and create a new work request in it. So let's see how a new work request window will look like. So here he will give the title to the new work request. As you all can see here, the title is pipe versus structural. He can edit the area by using bounding box method to indicate the clash area. He can add the description related to that work request. Under the tabs like targets, he can target the work request to various departments like mechanical or plant modeler or PNID section or diagram or piping isometric and spools, etc. Or he can directly target the new work request to a user. Under the attribute tab, he can select any Cadmatic attributes in it. Under the object tab, he can assign the objects which are being clashing and intimate to the designer. Under the attachment tab, he can attach the file which are related to that clash and send it to the user. After providing the information, he can send the work request to the designer. Once the work request has been created, it will get assigned to the targeted designer. As soon as he will start his module, the Cadmatic will automatically notify him with message. Here, the message is, there is one new or modified work request assigned to you. Now, the designer will browse the work request which is assigned to him, and as soon as he select the request, which he can able to see with the 3D view appearing beside the work request browsing window. He will resolve the clash, and using reply tab, he can reply the work request to his manager. Now let's see how the reply work request window look like. So he has to set at least one status among open, closed or temporary. He can edit the area if he want. Comment can be added, like here implemented done, closing the request, and set the status of target module as well as user status. So here you all can see, like in plant modeler target module, status has been closed and the user set the status is completed. In the next slide, I will show you how we can browse the work request. So what it will do, the work request manager window This will help lead or area engineer can browse existing work requests along with all the detailed information attached to it. So let's understand the browsing work request with the 3 sections. In first section, you can see the tab show. Under that, various menus. Using this menu, we can sort out our requests which we wanted, like assigned to me, request area, intersecting my area, containing object in my areas. In search tab, under the drop-down menus, we have title, source module, target user, status, created by, creation time. So by using this, we can search our request quickly. In the second section, we have various columns like title. Under the title, we will get the name of the request, source module where it has been generated, and the target module to whom this request has been assigned, and the target users. The user's name you can see under this column, and the status. Either it is open, temporary, or closed. And this is the reply tab from where we can reply to any work request. In the third section, we will get the general information about the request. Under the comments, any comments, like here, user have given the comments clash resolved. Under the object tab, we have object assigned to this, and the attachments. Here, the attachments for the manager he has assigned. So this is under the attachment file. Like, so for example, if some person is went on the site and he wanted to convey some message to the designing office, to the designer. So what he will do, he will just click the photograph and attach that JPG image under the attachment and send it to the concerned designer in the design office. So work request has the file attachment handling for e-browser models and markups. So this will help lead engineer to review the request on e-browser directly. On the attachment tab in the work request manager, there is an additional functionality for handling attachment that are e-browser model files, which has an extension .ebm file, or e-browser markup, which is .ebx file. So using this file, while creating the work request, we can directly make a markup or a 3D model inside the work request itself and attach, and we can send it directly to the concerned or to the targeted user. So that concludes my presentation. However, I would like to quickly summarize the main point or the key takeaways. So we have seen how online mode resolve the clashes initial level itself. So what it will does, it will save the time and resources, reduce rework, and save lot of revisions. We also have batch as well as case-based collisions check, which help us to make 100% clash-free model. The collision detector inside our project review tool, eBrowser, enables user to gain deeper insight into the 3D model. The Work Request Manager tool provides Cadmatic Plant Modeler user an agile but controlled way to communicate with each other. Target object can be browsed visually in 3D view using the current 3D model. Reviewing tool with markups can be created and attached directly in Work Request Manager. Easy exchange of information about design progress between Cadmatic Basic and detailed design modules. And no need of using any external mode of communications like Excel, Word, email system, and its manual management. So we have time reserved for question answer session. So moving to the question answer session, let's see a short video on the whole scenario. So let's run the collision. Under the collision tab, go to the test, right click, and run the collision. Collision detector will detect the collisions. So here we are detecting the collision in between pipe versus structural after running it browse. So this is how collision browser will look like. Suppose we are assigning one collision to the designer. You can add the comment over here. These are the target attribute objects and attachments. Objects will get assigned over here. Those who are clashing. Now target the department and the status and the user. The status will get assigned. Once this request has been created, the designer will get the notification. Once he will get the notification, he will go to the work request and check which of the request has been assigned to him. He will go there, check all the general informations about the request, and while replying, he can add the comment after resolving the clash. Clash removed. Now the status of module has been closed and the status by user is completed, and then click on OK. So you can check the comments given by the reviewer. Yeah, so this is the short video which has explained the whole of the scenario which we had just had in our PPTs. And thank you so much for your interest and attention.